Okay, here's the progress on the wheel. Somebody was asking me if they could see it actually spin. As you can tell, all this stuff is, none of this is hooked up, but I've been working on building the base for this and the magnet and the magnets on the wheels and balancing the wheel. It still has its wobble left to right. As we spin it, you'll see. A little bit of a wibble wobble. But what was important is getting this part right. The gap in there. And just holding this down firmly. You can see I had to take quite a bit out of that one side. That's went straight through, and then I had to go get it a little bit more. So the next part is cutting down some of this wire and starting to hook things into this breakup bar. And we'll see where we go. First I'm going to try to just get the pushing going. I'm not going to worry about the back EM or back electromotive force collection. But that's where we're at. Wish me luck.